In this video, we will learn how to design an e-commerce website like this. You can check the design. Hello guys, welcome to the new video of Make Coding Easy. Please like and subscribe channel and please press bell icon. In this video, we will add section tag, and we will remove this closing section tag, and here we will close it. And now here we will add section ID, which is home, hashtag home. Now here we will add section and we will close the section before closing body tag. ID products. Future products is the ID. And now copy it and paste it here. Hashtag future products. Now here we will add a offer section. Add dot small container, that is div class small container. In it we will add div class row, and then we will add div class call2, and then we will use img tag. Remove the alt. Now we will here paste the source of image. Now here we will add after image call2, and now we will add text exclusively available in Red Store. Now here we will add smart band. Now refresh the page and check the results. It is looking best. And now we will add small tag. In this we will write the MI smart band for feature 39.9% larger. I have the text before, so I will just paste it here. You can just copy that, and here I will add break row. Then I will use a tag for a button, which class is btn buy now, and a code of arrow, which is sign of and hashtag 8594. Now here you can check a button. Come back to CSS file. Here we will add offer, comment of offer, then dot offer, in which we will write background. Sorry for spelling mistake. That is radial gradient. Hashtag FFF, comma, hashtag FFD6. Now here we will add margin from top, which is 80 pixel, and padding, which is 30 pixel and 0. Now I think there is a error. So now the error has been removed. Dot call to dot offer img. Now here we will add padding 50 pixel. Now we will add dot small, and now we will add color hashtag 555. Now here we will add a div class offer. Now here come back to HTML file. Here we will add recent products section. This is the smallest video part of e-commerce site. You can watch the part 1 and part 2 also. H2 class title, recent products. If there is any problem in the video, so please comment me. Now here we will copy the feature products section, and you can paste here that because that is same. Just we will have to change the title to recent products. Now here one more thing, one more product in recent products, and you can copy this as much time as you want. Now here you can check, these are recent products. You can add more products on your choice. Now here we will add section. If you want to add, I think you don't need to add. I am just adding to teach you that you can add as many sections as you want, because for products you can create another page of products. Here we will write recent products or recent item. Home, recent, latest item, contact and account, and cart icon. Now here we will add about section, where we will add some steps and pics. Dot small container. Now we will add h1, and now h1 is steps. Now here we will add img tag, and before that we will add box, div class box, and we will remove alt and paste the image source. Now we will add h3. In h3 we will add free and fast delivery. We will copy it again and paste it again. We will just remove the text and write any other text, and now we will add steps.box. Sorry, the video was deleted by me, so please copy this step css. Now you can check the website. There is an error. So now you can check the website.